बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम दोस्तों, उम्मीद है आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आज हम MCQs आपके साथ डिस्कस करेंगे। सबसे पहला MCQs, सम ऑर्गन इन द ह्यूमन बॉडी लाई पार्टली ऑन द लेफ्ट साइड एंड पार्टली ऑन द राइट साइड। द एग्जांपल ऑफ दिस pancreas. Plant make their food by the process called photosynthesis. Which of the following are needed in the process? Sunlight, water, and carbohydrates. Which of the following regulate and control the entry of light into the human eyes? Errors. In certain disease, antibiotics are administered the object into inhibit the growth of bacteria. Which of the following organism cause pneumonia? Cocci. The chief food of a butterfly larva is leaves of plant. As the number of microorganisms in a soil increase, the amount of hums in the same soil increase. Amino acids are a product of the digestion of protein. Hemoglobin is rich in a mineral which has great affinity for oxygenation. Which of the following secretion does not certain enzyme? Bile. Which of the following has the highest fat content? Milk. Which of the following is a stretch digest enzyme? Platinine. Amino acids are a product of the enzyme of protein. Thanks for watching. मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए खुदा हाफिज़।